Okay, this rabbit is not where I would expect to see a rabbit. It looks like it might be somebody's bunny. And it's on a lawn at a building, munching away. I don't know what the orange area on its right shoulder is all about. No history on this. And we're going to head on our way and leave him to his munching away.
Sunday morning. No woodpeckers at Burnett Elementary, but we do have our resident Cooper's hawk. As usual, high up in the easternmost redwood.
Not Reluctant Jay is here, and he's going to take at least one, maybe two, maybe three. It's okay, go ahead, take a third. Oh, maybe a fourth. You're taking up after Tailless. Yeah, okay. Come down. Here's Tailless at the northern site. He'll take several. He eats 2 or 3 and then he gathers up bunches. Just like that. And Speedy. Oh, okay, we're gonna have you take one too? Go ahead, come on over, check it out. It's almost like trying to decide. Okay, Not Reluctant Jay is back, and he's eating them. Tailless went and buried. Speedy down, he'll take one, maybe two, no. Tailless Jay at the southern site, he'll get more. Fluffy's out to greet us again this morning as we approach her area. Yeah, good morning. Hug her tree. And treats her down. One of Whispering Hills Ranch horses that just entered the pasture area on the eastern hillside. He's finding stuff on the ground to eat. He might take a dirt bath. Yep, down he goes. Yeah. And this horse is joining him. Very good.
Well, how does that though? But like you said, when you're gonna be like, okay.
From the entrance of Alviso Adobe Park, saw the red tail up on the gazebo. Facing the hill, so probably scanning for breakfast.
This blue jay is going to come over and take some food. I'm busy. Okay, I was busy. Song sparrow. Okay, we're back at Fluffy. Streets are down. Okay, Fluffy, see you tomorrow. On the nest tree that's next to the Last Word Ranch, with the eastern hillside nearby, we have red-tailed hawk. He's probably looking for his breakfast. And he is over there.